Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You've set a purpose and picked 3 content pillars. Now take immediate steps. Open your notes and list the audience, tone, and 3 pillar topics. Once done, collect 10 example posts from competitors and complementary creators to analyze style and hooks. Make sure to pick 5 core hashtags and decide cadence, 3x week or daily. These prerequisites let you begin producing rather than planning forever. Start drafting 5 post ideas, tonight using the examples as templates. Now you move into the heavier work, research and batching. You should scan top posts in your niche for effective hooks, caption lengths, and proven formats, noting 3 recurring patterns. Next, batch create 5 short scripts for reels or carousels in one session to preserve momentum and save time. Make sure to build templates, thumbnail design, caption formula, and CTA structure so you can plug content into a repeatable system. This systematic approach boosts consistency and creative output. Finish by publishing and optimizing. Release your first 3 posts across your chosen cadence and track impressions, saves, and comments. Once live, /B test thumbnails and CTAs over 2 weeks and note which variations drive more saves or profile visits. If engagement is low, check the first 3 seconds of video or the first line of the caption. Make sure it hooks. Finally, iterate weekly. Drop what fails, double down on winners, and keep the feedback loop tight to grow predictably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.